this is what we're looking like. So let me get everything that I need to lay my baby hairs down, and we'll really be extra snatched. So for these baby hairs, I normally use a toothbrush. A toothbrush and some edge control. Now sometimes my baby hairs still lift up with this, but that's okay. Yeah, so that should be all right. And sometimes I also use this brush, so we'll see. So what do you use? Comment down below and let me know. Do you use a toothbrush, or okay, do you use a regular brush? Okay, I think I have, yeah, okay, I have these hairs here. I have a lot of baby hair. I mean a lot of it. I mean, look at all that. Look at what we have to work with. Okay. I think I'll slip that back. Okay. What I'll do is this excess I'll put over here just for now. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna do. You know what? I forgot my comb. I normally use a comb too. Let me get my comb. Okay.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
Okay, so for the most part, this side is done. You can take these out. Okay, so now for this side. pretty much done with that side. So what I'll do is I'll take a little bit of this pomade, put it at the top. Oh my gosh, these are messing up already. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't know if I want to put more pomade. This is about to be a fail. For real, girl. This is about to be a fail. Okay, so I revived that side. Okay, so here we have the left side. Whew. And here we have the right side. So now what I really need to do is tie my hair down so that my baby hair can be really, really laid. But this is good because it looks natural. I don't like, you know, to have baby hair that looks too hard and harsh. So that's good. La la la. Alright, so that concludes this video and I will see you next time.